Hello everyone, welcome to Math Madness and Fun. Today we'll be learning about one subject. It's called self-similarity. Let's continue. Evaluate 2 plus 6 divided by 2 plus 6 divided by 2 plus 6 divided by 2 plus and so on forever. Strategy. Use the basic concepts of algebra to solve. Okay, let's try figuring this out. Since it's an algebra, I'm sure that we had to use x. Let's try using x. X is equal to 2 plus 6 divided by 2 plus 6 divided by and so on. Wait a sec. If you do 2 plus 6 divided by this whole equation over here is the same thing repeated. Let me just write x. Oh, now we have to solve for x. We know how to solve this. We know that 2 is basically 2 over 1 plus 6 divided by x. You can factor out the 1 and do 2 over 1 multiplied by x over x. That will give you 2x divided by x. So you'll easily get x is equal to 2x plus 6. And actually, let me put the whole thing in parentheses. Divided by x. So now let's bring this x over here. Some people say you just multiply x on both sides. But let's just do what's most understandable for you. So here you get x squared is equal to 2x plus 6. Since you have 2x plus 6, this is a square, meaning we'll be needed the quadratic formula. Okay, let's try using it. X squared minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. Because you bring all of them in here, or you take away 2x on both sides, take away 6 on both sides, and so you'll end up with 0. Using the quadratic equation, you'll find the answer is 1 plus the square root of 7. So that's the answer. Let's go to the next one. Evaluate 5 plus 8 divided by 5 plus 8 divided by 5 plus 8 divided by 5 plus and so on forever. Here's a strategy. Let's read it. This is like the problem above. Use the information you know to solve. Well, we know that we set both sides. We set it as an equation. X is equal to 5 plus 8 divided by 5 plus 8 divided by... Oh, it makes sense. You can just do 5 plus 8 because these things keep repeating on and on forever. You can just do 5 plus 8 divided by x. Makes so much sense now. And that will easily simplify too. X is equal to 5x plus 8 parentheses divided by x. Okay, let's multiply x on both sides. And that will result in x to the power of 2 is equal to 5x plus 8. We don't need the parentheses anymore because we're left with these. And using the quadratic formula, you bring all of them to here, and it goes over to 0. The answer you'll get is 5 over 2 plus root of 57 divided by 2. Okay, I'll try writing that down. Root. Let's do this. Root of 57. Not bad. Evaluate. Root of 15. Oh, this sounds scary. Plus root of 15. Plus root of 15. Plus root of 15. Plus so on. This is really, really scary. Let's try doing it. Let's try seeing what we have done so far. Let's read the strategy. Hopefully it'll give us a helpful hint. This is also like the other problems we encountered, except a little different. Let's go up here. Oh, we can use algebra, since that's forever and that's forever. Let's try doing that. So let's see this. We used x here. Well, let's use x here too. Okay. So x is equal to root of 15 plus root of 15. I would have to square this infinite times to get this. This is just sad. How do we do this? Let's think really hard. Let's try thinking as hard as possible. Oh, I got it. Look at this. If we do x squared, then we get 15 plus this whole thing, which means x. Oh, that was really brilliant. Let's use the quadratic formula. This is getting really quadratic. Minus x minus 15 is equal to 0. And the answer you will get after using the quadratic formula is 1 over 2 plus, this is also really hard. Root of 61 and divided by 2. Whew, that was enough practice. Let's try one more practice problem, but this time I'll not be there. Bye. Please subscribe to our channel.